Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on extended hours in Tradingview so you can see every price movement during pre-market and after-hours sessions. Let's get into it. First, open your chart settings. Before you can see the extended data, you need to access the display preferences for your specific symbol. Note that extended hours are primarily available for intraday timeframes, like the 1-minute or 15-minute charts. Look for the gear icon in the top right toolbar of your chart, or simply right-click anywhere on the chart background. Select Settings from the menu. This will open the main configuration panel where all your visual data rules are stored. Next, enable Extended Hours lines. While the basic toggle shows the data, these specific line settings help you track price levels across your entire workspace. In the Settings window, select the Trading tab from the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down to the bottom of the Trading section. Locate the box labeled Extended Price Lines across the entire chart width and check it. This draws horizontal lines from your extended hours price points, like the current bid or ask or last price, across the full width of your screen, making it easier to see how current live price action compares to previous overnight highs and lows. It provides a constant horizon line for the extended session price. And that's pretty much it. To get a full view of the market in 2026, go to Settings, then Trading, and enable Extended Price Lines across your entire workspace. This simple checkmark eliminates the guesswork by projecting pre-market and after-hours price levels across your entire workspace, giving you a clear benchmark for your next trade. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.